Welcome to the Titanium Energy Services Environmental Health and Safety video series. In this video, we will explore the fall protection hierarchy of controls to address the potential risks of slips due to loss of traction, trips caused by uneven ground or obstacles in your path, and falls from height. In various settings, be it the workplace, daily life, or recreational activities, slippery surfaces and trip hazards present considerable risks to individuals. These hazards can result from wet or oily floors, loose mats, or cluttered environments, leading to potentially severe injuries such as fractures, sprains, or head trauma caused by slips, trips, and falls. To address these dangers, implementing a fall protection hierarchy of controls is crucial. The fall protection hierarchy of controls involves several key steps. Elimination. The first step is to eliminate or replace the hazard wherever possible. In the workplace, this could involve addressing the root causes of slippery surfaces and trip hazards, such as ensuring proper drainage to prevent pooling water or level uneven walking areas. In everyday life, it may include maintaining well-kept sidewalks and pavements. In recreational activities, avoiding areas with known hazards is essential. Substitution. If complete elimination is not possible, consider substituting hazardous materials or conditions with safer alternatives. For example, using non-slip mats or floor treatments in the workplace can substitute slippery surfaces. In everyday life, using salt or sand on icy sidewalks is a substitution method. Engineering controls. Implement physical changes to the environment to mitigate fall risk. In the workplace, this may involve installing handrails, securing mats, and providing adequate lighting to enhance visibility. In daily life, ensuring handrails and stairs are secure and well maintained is an engineering control. In recreational activities, adhering to safety guidelines at heights is crucial. Administrative controls. These controls focus on altering work practices and procedures to minimize risk. In the workplace, it includes maintaining cleanliness, organizing work areas, and following safety protocols for using ladders or elevated surfaces. In daily life, it's about staying alert, watching for hazards, and avoiding risky areas. In recreational activities, following safety guidelines and using proper safety gear fall under administrative control. The final line of defense is the use of personal protective equipment. In various settings, appropriate footwear for the terrain and season, or safety gear such as traction aids and work positioning or fall protection harnesses used for working at heights can significantly reduce the risk of falls and injury. Protecting yourself against a fall when working from heights is a life-saving rule. To tackle hazards related to working at height, particularly in the workplace, similar principles can be applied, with a strong emphasis on adequate training, safety equipment usage, and the implementation of safety protocols and best practices. In daily life and recreational activities, identifying potential hazards and taking steps to minimize risks through proper equipment usage and avoiding hazardous areas is essential. In summary, the presence of slippery surfaces, trip hazards, and the potential for falls can pose risks in work, daily life, and recreational activities alike. It is of utmost importance to recognize these potential hazards, adopt necessary precautions, and adhere to established safety protocols and best practices to reduce the likelihood of accidents and ensure our well-being. Safety is a shared responsibility, and it is essential that we collaborate to foster a secure environment for all. Furthermore, working at height presents hazards in professional, personal, and recreational settings. To mitigate these risks, it is crucial to identify potential dangers, take appropriate preventive measures, and adhere to established safety procedures and guidelines. We should always bear in mind that safety is a collective obligation, and through collaborative efforts, we can establish a secure environment for everyone. By following these principles and controls, individuals can effectively address and mitigate the risks associated with slippery surfaces, trip hazards, and working at height, ensuring their safety in various environments. Show your support for safety. Give us a thumbs up to let us know you found this video informative. Stay informed with our YouTube channel packed with toolbox topics, and follow us on social media with the latest updates from Titanium Energy Service.